If you are looking for an amazing colander that does not hit your food, all that nasty hot water when you're boiling something, you're absolutely gonna love this. This actually expands over your sink. It goes from 14 to 21. I'm gonna put some pasta on here. We're gonna see exactly how easy this is to work. What I really like about this right over here is you don't have to worry about dumping hot boiling stuff and also holding the colander. This is gonna go right across your sink just like that. And I'll show you what it looks like with pasta in a second. This can fit in most standard sinks and it's super sturdy here. I was a little concerned, like, I don't know, if you dump something hot in here, is it gonna move around? It does not. It's super nice when it comes to that. It can strain hot foods. You could do fruits, vegetables. You could do lettuce, tomato, all that kind of stuff that you want to do. No problem at all. It does have expandable handles and some rubber grips over here. Now, in terms of the bottom here, we have like these little feet right over here. This is kind of the size of the holes right over here, which is kind of the perfect size. It is dishwasher safe, but you're going to want to wash this mesh after you use it, and it's super simple. I'll show you exactly how that works. So let's kind of get some, actually, let's kind of show you this first. So I got some blueberries right over here. This is a great example that you could do kind of like cold stuff. You want to kind of just wash this over. You could either hold it just like that, or you could literally just have it strained and washed just like that. So this is a great example for kind of like fruits and vegetables, and then you could just kind of strain this out just like that, and then you could just put this wherever you want it to go. Does a great job straining. Next, let's kind of go and grab some pasta now. So we're gonna put it right over the sink right over here. We're gonna just grab our pasta right over here. We're literally just gonna dump this on top. I'm not holding it at all. You'll see here my hands are free. I'm not touching any of the hot stuff at all. And we're done here. We want to run some cold water over this to kind of get more of the starch out. You have that option right over here, which I think is a great option. And then you could just kind of shake out however you want it to do, just like that. You could either leave it here, you could transfer it. One other thing that kind of a nice use case is if you wanted to serve out of here. You don't necessarily have to put this in a bowl or anything like that. You could literally just, you know, bring your plates, serve it out while it's still kind of, you could still kind of strain it just like that. And you don't have to worry about putting this into another bowl, putting this on the table or anything like that. You saw it was totally hands-free. And then we're just gonna grab this real quick over here. We're just gonna put this back in. I'll show you what it looks like. So we're just gonna dump that in back like that. So there is some kind of starchiness on this just because obviously it is pasta. So you'll kind of see right over there, it's a little kind of have the starchy. So what I typically do is I just put this up here, take this hose right over here and just go over it really quickly, just like that. And it knocks all the starch off really easily. You can put this in the dishwasher. I would say after using this, I would kind of do that first, kind of get everything off of there. You'll see right over here, not much effort used right over there, and all that starch is out of there. So if you are looking for a great kitchen strainer that can be used over your sink, definitely check this out. This thing is a game changer. Just being able to put it over the sink, you start dumping the pasta. I don't have to worry about my hands or holding something or anything like that. This is a great fit for that. So if you're looking for a great over the sink strainer, definitely check this out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right strainer for you.